These are the Gamma lids with the airtight, watertight seal that you see all over used in dust collection systems. These usually are attaching to the bottom of the hanging filtration, and the lid is very simple operation. You just snap this ring on, and you actually have to use a fair bit of pressure to push this thing on there, which is good because it keeps it solid where it needs to be. And then I've added some little foam, squishy foam weather stripping here, because what's going to happen is this lid is going to fit right underneath my filter, right? And then it's going to let all the small micro dust that collects, and hopefully not very much of it because we got our now Oneida Cyclone on there. But we're going to go ahead and mount this guy to that. To do that though, we need to make a hole right here for the actual dust and airflow to go in. And this is the diameter of the hole for the air filter. So we're going to cut that out of that ring, and then we're going to screw or affix this to the bottom of the filter, hence why we have that weather stripping foam all the way around. And they're these little, I don't know, whatever, just basically an air pocket in the forming of the lid. And that's where we're going to put our screws through, straight through that and into the metal casing of the filter. And then in essence, this will basically be one unit hanging just like so from the filtration unit, and that'll allow us to collect all of that little small microdust and take that off every now and again.